Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add a page in iPhone home screen. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold the screen right here and you're going to see the wiggling apps. You can just go ahead and swipe left and you're going to be able right here, swipe left again, you're going to see a blank page. If most of the time you need to add something to that screen so you can actually have another page. If you didn't add another page, mostly this page will be gone. So if we head down right here at the top right, you're gonna see there isn't a blank page. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add another page and adding new app or something to add it to that screen so you can add another page. So again, hold your screen right here and you can see the wiggling app, swipe left, and then you're gonna be able to add another page right here I recommend you that you add an app right there. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.